Bachacha Box.
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's draw a joker together. Make a circle at the center of the page. Draw a sleeping oval at the top, followed by a rectangular shape. This is the clown's hat. Make wavy hair behind the circle. Two eyes, eyebrows, one large nose, and a big smile. Now make a large body with arms and hands extended outwards. Matching pants and huge boots to complete the clown's look. Add juggling balls between both his hands in a semicircle like this. Color. Use multiple colors over the juggling balls. Color the hat in any color of your choice. We have used blue and black. Let the hair be in shades of browns or reds. Use the same red over his nose and mouth. A red mouth helps the joker project his facial expressions better and increases his visibility to audience seated at the back. Let's give a skin color over his face and hands to lend him a natural complexion. A clown wears solid and dark colors to hide his props. We are using blue on his suspenders and green over his shirt and pink pants. Vibrant, isn't it? Color his giant boots in black to enhance his overall look. Great work! And just like some magic spell, we have successfully drawn a clown. Go ahead and show it to everyone.
Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.